See that I have this form, and if I were to go ahead and click on preview form right here, I can go ahead and, let's say for example, type in my name and click on submit right here, and then I get redirected right here. So let me just go ahead and select that I am human, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag this and verify out as well, and click on submit form. So here you can see a thank you page right here that comes up by default. If you don't see this, then in order to enable it, you can go ahead on to settings, and here on the left hand side you can see the thank you page. So it says show thank you page after submission, so you can go ahead and redirect to an external link as well, but here you can actually go ahead and click to enable the thank you page. You can actually go to settings and choose the different sort of thank you page as well. Go ahead and select the one that you want right here, just like this, and change the design. Apart from that, you also have an option to go ahead and edit out the thank you page as you like. For example, you can change the font. You can go ahead and change the size of the font right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and say congratulations, let's say for example, type in the message yourself. You can go ahead and bold it, italicize it, and even go ahead and change around, let's say for example, the alignment of it as you want as well, just like this. And here you can see that you can go ahead and choose another image as well. For example, you can go for your image right here, go ahead and click, and that image will be inserted right here, just like this. So that is what you have. So let me just go around over here. You can go ahead and choose other image as you like as well. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the text color, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here. So if you want, you can go ahead and change the text color as you want right here. You can add in a link right here, just like this as well. So let's just go around and type in www.wikipedia.org, let's say for example, and then you can go ahead and add in a link to it as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can insert image and then even see the source code and then edit everything in a code level as you want. And you can even go ahead and insert out a table if you want right here, just like this, and start working around with the data right here. So you can go ahead and type it in and work around with the table as well and edit out the table as you want as well. But let me just go ahead right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and then delete this out. So let's just go around over here and then delete out the table by right clicking it right here. You can even go ahead right here, as you can see. So you got action buttons that you have right here, like fill again button right here. You can go ahead and add that in right there as well. So let me just go around over here onto preview form right here. And now if I were to go ahead and add in, let's say for example, my first name and last name right here and click on submit, you can see that I need to go ahead and verify that I'm human, of course, right here. So let's just go ahead and do that. And it says select the things that are more expensive. So let's just go ahead and then choose this and click on submit form. And then you can see that I get the fill again option. I got the link right here, the image that I selected, and so forth, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and enable and change out the thank you page as you like inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.